Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dhammaya, Namo Sanghara. Today we will learn about why human beings have a different karma with the answer of Zen Master Thich Nhat Hanh, and will completely translate to English. Why human beings have different karma? Our friend is asking why each human being has a different karma. Are you sure? They asked. Are you sure every human being has a different karma? Then our friend, he becomes shy and timid to answer Thay. I was quite sure, but... Okay, karma is action. Karma may be cause or may be effect. Karma hitherto is acting at a cause, and karma fakala is karma at a fruit. Cause and effect, they are together. You cannot remove the causes from the effect, and you cannot remove the effect from the causes. It's like the corn kernel is the causes, and the corn stalk is the effect, but they are not two separate entities. You cannot remove the corn kernel from the plants of koi, and you cannot remove the koi plants out from the corn kernel. So cause and effect are not two different entities, and one is the continuation of the others. The plants of koi is a continuation of the seed of koi in the direction of the future, and the kernel of koi continues the plants of koi in the direction of the past. Thanks to the corn kernel, the plants of koi has access to the ancestor. And thanks to the plants of koi, the ancestor have access to the future. This is a wonderful collaboration based on no self. There is only a continuation, and that is from the point of view of time. From the point of view of space, it's the same. There is what we call collective karma and individual karma. And you are talking about individual karma, and this is different from other karmas. But if you reflect on the notion of individual and collective, you are really make a big step, because the notions of individual and collective are also a pair of opposites to be transcended. When a young person tells his father this is my body, this is my life, I have freedom, I have the right to do anything with my body and my life. So that is the view that I am not including you. I have my own body, I have my own field, my own life. I have the right to dispose of my life of the way I want. And our young people say it like that. They don't know that they are a continuation of their father, of their mother. And in fact, they cannot harm, they do not have the right to harm the father. To commit suicide is like an offense. You are killing your father and you're killing your mother. You are ancestors when you commit suicide. This body is not yours. This body is the property of your father, of your ancestor. And with that kind of insight, you cannot behave like the way many people behave based on the wrong view. So to meditate is to see the nature of inner being, of non-self, which allows you to act properties and not to cause suffering, that is karma. And your body is not individual properties, it's also a collective at the same time. Your body is the collective product of your nation, of your people, of your culture, of your ancestor. So you are not strictly individual, you are a poly-collective. And this depends on the way of look that you are more or less collective. Any karma, whether it is individual or collective, affects the whole world, and the karma, their action may be better or worse. For example, when 600 people come to a retreat in Plum Village, they read something together as a collective action. They do sitting, walking, breathing, smiling, sharing. And this is a collective action, and we profit from that. There are those in the world, at this time, they don't practice like us. They drink wine, they go dancing, and they spend their time in a very different way. And we have been able to sit aside 3 weeks to come together. And we are sharing a collective action here that we believe to be a good action. Because every day we water the seed of mindfulness, understanding, compassion, and the collective. But in the collective, you can see the individual. There are some that do better than others. There are those of us who can find it possible to transform, to leave behind the burden of worries in the first 5 days. There are also those who need more than that, probably on the 3rd week that they can release and put down their worries. So in the collective, there is the individual, and in the individuals, there is the collective. There is no absolute individualities. There is no absolute collectivity. That is the truth, and that is why it is another pair of opposites. And if you practice looking deeply, you can remove them and you can see that any karma affects all of us. Whatever good we are doing here is also helping the world. So we have to be confident that the karma is not lost, and any thought or any compassion and forgiveness that we produce is not only can help us to heal, but also can help the world. So during the 21 days, we have in producing thoughts of compassion, of loving kindness. That is our best contribution to the world. And that is why our action of karma is neither different nor the same, because sameness and otherness are also a pair of opposites. So the right view lies in the fact that you can remove all the pairs of opposites. Thank you.